welcome back to my channel. I wasn't going to make a video today. Looks like we're going to get a thunderstorm. But I figured, I really want to make that axe tomorrow out of the ball peen hammer. And the drift I did, I'm really impressed with in my previous video. But I figured I wanted to make something a little wider. I'm going to be on my second annealing, or not annealing, sorry, normalizing. I already forged it. I normalized it one time. It's coming up to temperature for the second time. Then I'm going to do the quench. I'm going to show that, obviously, and Jesus, hopefully I don't get lightning on my head. All right. Gotta get it to critical temperature. Then I'm going to quench in oil. Wouldn't it be cool if there was lightning that struck in the background? That'd be kind of good. That'd make a pretty neat video. Okay, I'm going to do the full quench. Let's see. Non-magnetic. Full quench. I want to see the difference between my 2-second quench on my last drift and this one, because I know my last one was hard. I still got to temper this. I set the oven to 450. I'm going to still put this in the oven for 2 hours. Oh, it's bluish. I feel ting, tang, ting, ting. I don't know if you heard it. Ooh, I don't know about this one. I felt something on that. Okay. Magnetic again. Okay, I'm going to show the colors on this. Yeah, it flaked a bit. Well, the temper is going to be the game changer. I don't want to drop this thing. All right, we'll check it out. Okay, it's been tempered. It's a fatter drift. I'm going to test it now. And that's a 4-pound hammer. Ugh. No mushroom. All right, have a good night. Till next time. Now I'm ready for the axe.